Hey, do you want to learn how to create a snippet in Notion Mail? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So to create a snippet in Notion Mail, we're going to first go with Notion Mail, and on the left-hand side, you're going to find settings. Click on it. And inside here, you're going to find snippets in the account settings. On here, you can create a new one by clicking on this button, and you can change the emoji, the icon of it, change the color. You can also do a random one by clicking on this. In the snippet content, you can add two, like add recipient, add subject, and here you can start writing what you want. So like I'm going to show you another one, which is schedule outreach. So we're going to click on these three dots and edit it. Now here, this is schedule outreach, and it says, hi, first name. So this first name is going to detect the recipient name, the first name and the last name, going to detect that first name. So if you're doing an outreach and you do not want to type the first name again and again, you can just use this code here, and it's going to detect if in the to field, in the recipient field, if there's a name, it's going to type it here. And same as that, we got the schedule here. This is connected to your Notion calendar, so you need to connect that first. On here, you can select a block like this, and you can assign it and then click on save. So each time you try to outreach someone, you can just use this snippet. Just go over here and compose a new email by clicking on this button, press / on your keyboard, go down, you're going to find the snippet of schedule outreach, or on the bottom next to this add attachment, you're going to find insert snippet as well. Just click on it, scroll down, you're going to find schedule outreach here as well. So if I go back to create new and edit snippet, so in the snippet content, if I say hi, and then I do a curly bracket like this, I'm going to find these. So full name, last name, first name, my first name, etc. So I'm going to press on this full name. It's going to type this code. And just like I showed you before, you can just type the whole snippet, something like this. So I'm going to say, we are contacting you via company. And then you can just type it inside here when you're sending the email. Now on the top here, in the shortcut field, you just say something like this, company outreach, and next to it, I can change the icon, something like this, and I can change it to this icon over here, and then I can save it. You can also use the AI here to improve the writing, like that, and you can accept it this way, and I can save it, which is going to save this snippet over here. Now, just like I showed you before, I can just go over here, compose a new email, and I can use a snippet. You can also add a new snippet by clicking on here as well. So you do not have to go to settings to add a new snippet. You can just click on this, add a new snippet from here. So this is company outreach. I can just click here, and this way I've added the snippet to the new email. And when you're sending it to a recipient, let's say I added that, it's going to take that first and last name, it's going to put it over here, and for company, it's not detecting it. So we have to just press on this and enter the company ourselves. I like this, and just press on enter, and that's it. So that's it. That's how to create a snippet or add a snippet in Notion Mail. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Notion Mail tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.